Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is an important recruitment notification from BDL. So let us see the details of the notification here. So to see this notification, you have to go for bdl-india.in/recruitments. So this is the official website, dear students. So where if you scroll down, here you can see recruitment of management trainees in various disciplines in Bharat Dynamics Limited wide advertisement number 2025-4. So this is the advertisement number, dear students. For all future correspondence, you have to remember this particular number. Okay, so the issue date is on 28th November 2025. So all the location of BDL. So this is the thing, and if you click here, the notification will open. I'll show you the notification here. So you can see the notification here, Bharat Dynamics Limited, Corporate Office, Gachibowli, Hyderabad, 5,32,000. So the date of notification is 28/11/2025, and this is the advertisement number which you have to remember for all the future correspondence. Okay, then coming to the list of vacancies. So here management trainee electronics grade 2, number of vacancies are 32. So the total vacancies for electronics are 32 and reservation wise breakup is given here. So you can see the details carefully. Then management trainee mechanical grade 2, number of vacancies are 27. Management trainee electrical grade 2, vacancies are 6. Then management trainee computer science, vacancies are 4. Management trainee metallurgy grade 2, vacancy is 1. And management trainee chemical, 1 vacancy is there, and for civil 2 vacancies are there, and management trainee finance 5 vacancies, and human resources 2 vacancies are there, and reservation breakup is given here. Kindly go through this carefully. Now the most important thing is the dates. So when you have to go for registering and what is the last date to apply. Okay, so here the registration date is starting from 3rd December 2025 at 9 AM and closes on 29th December 2025 at 4 PM, dear students. So ample of time is there. So between this timing, so you have to apply for this examination. So there will be a computer based examination. I'll show you the details of this examination also. Okay, so let's go further into the notification. So you can see the list of vacancies here. Again, he has given clearly. Now coming to the pay scale. So pay scale. So here scale of pay IDI pattern, increment 3% per annum, 40,000 to 1,40,000. Approximate average CTC per annum at minimum basic pay is 15.55 lakhs on absorption of MTs in grade 2 as assistant manager. So once you are absorbed as assistant manager, you are going to get this much of CTC. So during this management trainee position, you will be getting as per IDA pattern 40,000 to 1,40,000. That is what he has given. So here you can see age limit and age relaxations as on 25th November 2025. So unreserved category 27 is the age limit. Then management trainee with finance with CA ICWA qualification 28 is given. So here you can see OBC non-creamy layer. For metallurgy 27 is the age limit. For remaining all 30 is the age limit. For management trainees finance 31 years, management trainee human resources 27 years. SC ST age limit is also given as per the government relaxations that are being provided. So kindly go through this information carefully, dear students. Now coming to the most important part, the qualification, education qualification. So management trainee electronics first class bachelor's degree or a 5-year integrated course in engineering or technology in the discipline of electronics or equivalent course from a recognized university. Electronics or equivalent course is given. Management trainee mechanical first class bachelor's degree or 5 years integrated course in engineering with mechanical or equivalent course from a recognized university or institute. So management trainee electrical, so same thing. So you need to have electrical or equivalent course from recognized university or institute. Then management trainee computer science also first class bachelor's degree or 5 years integrated course with computer science or equivalent course from recognized university or institute. So that means there is a chance for allied branches also, allied branch students also who can apply for these posts. Okay, metallurgy, 5 years integrated course or bachelor's degree with first class in metallurgy. So first class is the minimum requirement, dear students. For finance, it is pass in final examination conducted by ICA of India or pass in final examination conducted by Institute of Cost and Works Accounts of India or first class MBA or postgraduate diploma in finance. That is what is required. First class to be read as 60% marks in aggregate. Okay. Then for other categories like SC, ST, 55% in aggregate is required, dear students. Kindly go through this information carefully. So, all the related information is given, dear students. Equivalent qualifications. So, electronics domain is there. What are the other allied branch people who can apply? That is given here: electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and instrumentation, electronics design and technology engineering, applied electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, electronics and control engineering. So these are the disciplines of engineering considered as equivalent to electronics by the BDL. Okay. Then for mechanical, you can see mechanical, industrial and production engineering, mechanical production and tool engineering, production technology, manufacturing engineering, production and industrial engineering, manufacturing technology, aerospace and aeronautical engineering. So electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electrical instrumentation and control engineering. Computer science, only computer science engineering is given, dear students. So IT and other branches is not given here. So kindly go through that. Then selection will be based on written test, computer based online test. As I said earlier, there will be a computer based test and then followed by interview. So candidates fulfilling the prescribed eligibility criteria will be called for computer based online test. So candidates are required to appear for CBOT on the date, time and venue that will be mentioned in the admit card. Okay, candidate has to download the admit card from the website. A candidate should possess a valid email ID for the next 1 year. So for the next 1 year from the date of submission of the application, that is what is given here. So kindly go through this carefully, dear students. So CBOT examination. As I told you, I'll tell you the examination pattern. Here you can see 2 hours duration will be there and 2 parts comprising of 150 multiple choice questions. Part 1 consists of 100 multiple choice questions from the concerned subject or discipline. Okay, part 2 will consist of 50 multiple choice questions on general aptitude. So as this is for BTech students, almost like GATE examination, you will be having this computer based online test or engineering services exam, because 150 questions need to be answered in 2 hours time. Okay, so try to understand this carefully. So the weightage is assigned for computer based test as 85% and 15% for interview. So this is what is given here, dear students, and 1:10 ratio will be considered. You can see here clearly. Okay, so test centers. So test centers will be Ahmedabad or Gandhinagar, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Delhi, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, Trivandrum and Vijayawada. So these are the test centers. Pay and perks. In addition to basic pay, DA and HRA as admissible will be applied. Company accommodation is provided at Banur unit at the prescribed rate and HRA is not applicable at Banur unit. That is what he has given, dear students. So kindly go through this information carefully. So medical standards that are required. So PWBD candidates, what is there? All this information is given. So here the examination fee is 500 rupees, dear students. So excluding applicable convenience fee and taxes is to be paid online through SBI ePay by debit card or credit card, net banking, UPI, etc. by unreserved category EWS, OBC, NCL candidates. So candidates belonging to SC, ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen, internal permanent employees are exempted from the payment of fees. So that is what is given here. So go through this also carefully, and general conditions or instructions here. So all the required NOCs, what are the caste certificates that are required, that related information is given. So related to that, annexures and everything can be downloaded from the official BDL website, https://bdlindia.in. So greater than symbol HR. This is what is the information here. So the OBC NCL certificate should have been issued on or after 1st April 2025. So these are very, very important things, dear students. Kindly go through this information very carefully. So candidates are required to apply against only one post in response to the above advertisement. Okay, so this is about the complete information, dear students. There is a 9-page document. You can see this document carefully, and to apply you have to apply online by logging into https://bdlindia.in. As of now I can't show you the online application form because it is opening on 3rd December, dear students. So here you can see 3rd December 2025 9 a.m. the online registration of application will open. So you can go to the official website and then go for registering for this particular notification. So closing of online registration of applications 29th December 2025 up to 4 p.m. dear students. Tentative date of computer based test is 11th January 2026, which is on Sunday, dear students. So 11th January will be the examination. However, the actual exam date will be later notified, dear students. So candidates are not required to send any documents to BDL. This is one information that is being given here. So kindly go through that carefully, dear students. Okay. So what are the mandatory documents that are required? So here scanned copy of passport size photograph taken in last 3 months and scanned copy of candidate signatures. Document in support of date of birth, birth certificate or SSLC, SCC, CBSE certificate as applicable. So then remaining certificates related to scribe, caste certificates. Okay, then if you are working in a government organization and semi-government organization, there should be an NOC that is needed to be given. So document, certificates, letters mentioned above has to have been issued in any language other than Hindi or English. The candidates will be required to submit a self-certified translated copy of the same in Hindi or English. So this is one important thing you have to understand, dear students. So kindly go through this all information very carefully and apply for this examination on 3rd December 2025, and the last date to apply is 29th December 2025 up to 4 p.m. only, dear students. Don't wait till the last date. Apply as soon as possible. Thank you. All the very best.